How to set up payments on Shopify. So it's a very easy tutorial. First, you have to create or sign up for your account here in Shopify, and as much as possible, you have to create your own store. Now, in order for you to set up payments here in Shopify, first things first, you have to go to Shopify payment countries. You must have a Shopify store and reside in a supported nation in order to set up Shopify payments. Providing your company details, linking a bank account, and confirming your identification are all part of the setup procedure. The availability of Shopify payments may differ according on national banking laws and other variables like currency. So to find out if Shopify payments are available in their nation or in your country, you just have to go to the site. Now, in case that it's possible to activate your Shopify payment, then all you have to do is go to settings and go to billing information. So, what you're going to do here is to simply enter the following, such as legal business name, your country, region, which is, of course, should be included in the countries that allow Shopify activate payment. Okay, so you have to review this one again just in case you don't know. So go back and then you have to answer the following such as or enter the information such as street, okay, house number, apartment, postal code, and city. Once done, what you're going to do is to click save. Then you can review again by tapping this pencil icon right here. Change everything if you want. Then once done, click save. Now, after you have added your address, you have to go to payments, and here you will see this activate Shopify payments. Okay, so take note, not all countries can see this button, okay, or can activate the Shopify payment here. So once you activate this, then all you have to do is to answer the following, such as the business type. So, for example, you are a private individual company, then you have to enter your legal business name here, your organization number, and then you have to answer, do you have a VAT or VAT number? So tap yes or no. And then if you have your VAT number, so all you have to do is to enter right here. And then don't worry, there is a format to follow. So in case you don't know the format, then you will have this idea right here. Okay, and then enter your VAT number. After that, go to business address and then recheck a change if there's something missing or wrong. Then for personal details, you can change or you can simply correct your name or last name if there is something wrong here. Add your date of birth, your month, date, your personal identity number. Okay, so if you have, and then the format is below. So you have to follow the format. And then product details. For example, so your industry is all about clothing, accessories. Okay, so you could have or see some options right here. Clothing and accessories, business category, for example, clothing rental. And then we have your description of products or services. So everything is up to you. This is an example of the description of products right here. Now, for customer billing statement, here this information will be shown on your customer's card. So, statement descriptor, phone number, okay, banking information. So it's very important to fill in the information right here because you cannot proceed or you cannot click this submit for verification. So you have to recheck and fill in the information right here. And then once you're done, click the submit for verification. Now, after you complete the setup, then you can go back and you can see that if you visit your store, if the customer visits your store, if they scroll down here, then they can see this payment method right here. And it is, of course, supported by Shopify. So here is where you're going to manage your Shopify payments. So if you have Visa cards, if you have MasterCard, and other like American cards right here, so you have to set this as default. Or if you want to include Apple Pay, so all you have to do is to select the payment method that you want. Enable this test mode, test Shopify payment setup and configuration for successful and failed transactions. Once you enable it, then you're way to go. Now, in case that Shopify or you can't activate Shopify payments, then you can switch to a third-party provider here. You can set up your method if you want to connect your Shopify to PayPal or if you want to connect your Shopify to the following bank accounts here if you have and if it's supported or available in your country, and then you can simply connect and link. Now you can tap this filter icon right here just in case if you want to receive payments for like American Express only, or Google Pay, or Union Pay, or Visa, so you can filter the information. So these are the payment providers in case you cannot activate Shopify payments. So that's how easy it is to set up payments on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.